Hi, my name's Allie, and I'm a student worker here at the Rosehill Career Center. And I wanted to show you guys how to make an appointment on Handshake. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in joinhandshake.com. So every Fordham student with their Fordham credentials has a Handshake account ready for them. So I'm going to click Login. And this is my personal Handshake account, so all of this on my homepage is tailored to me, and once you start applying and signing up for career fairs, this will all be tailored to you as well. But what I'm going to do for this is go down on the left to Career Center, and then click Appointments. So on this page, I can see all of my past appointments, and I can also schedule a new appointment. So what I'm going to do is schedule a new appointment. We have a lot of different categories such as resume cover letter, interview skill prep, career fair, and we also have a few others. Just letting you guys know that once you graduate and become an alum, you can still use our career services such as Handshake and booking appointments. For this video, I'm going to go into job internship search, and I'm going to choose my appointment type as just 30 minutes. But you can also do 55 minutes if you feel like you need that. I'm going to go to the next week. And let's see, maybe Tuesday, November 26th works for me. So I'm going to click into that. And then I see we have a few different people that have times this day. But also, if you have a staff member preference, you can click staff member and then click whichever staff member you would like to meet with. And also, if you have an appointment medium preference, so if you would like to be virtual at Lincoln Center, at Rose Hill, you can also choose that. But I don't have a preference, and 10 a.m. seems like it would work for me, so I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to click appointment medium. Now, I can either do virtual on Handshake, or I could do Rose Hill here at the Career Center. And I'm going to click one of those, and then I'm going to write what they can help me with specifically. And then you just click the green request button. So that's all you have to do to set up an appointment at the Career Center. It's very easy, and all of our career counselors are very nice and very helpful. So if you haven't had an appointment with the Career Center, I definitely recommend you getting in there to start your job search.